Have you ever felt a sense of emptiness, like a void within you that doesn't seem to go away no matter what you do? That sense of helplessness or hopelessness, no hope for a better life. How about a sense of despair, a sense of anxiety, depression that you don't really know where it's coming from? What about a sense of poverty? No matter how much you have and accumulate, it never seems to be enough. Nothing is quite satisfying and fulfilling. What about this endless cycle of troubled relationships versus perhaps no relationships at all? The profound sense that something is missing, no matter what you have. Have you felt this way? I know I have. I found that all of these apparently different problems have one common cause. You solve the common cause, and all of the consequences that stem from this common root go away by themselves. And don't worry, I'm not talking about some magical potion, some magical snake oil that makes it all go away. I'm Dr. Flavio Ballerini. I wouldn't do that to you. What is it that we typically do to try to solve this mysterious sensation that something is missing, no matter what we do, that our lives are simply not fulfilling? How do we manage that? How do we deal with that? Well, the short answer is that we alternate between trying to change circumstances outside of ourselves and distracting our minds. We go about trying to change the world outside of ourselves in different ways. Some people are more nomadic. They move around more. They change jobs very often. They change their cars. They move houses. Perhaps they change spouses more frequently. They're always trying to change, move. They're going somewhere. They're doing something different every time. They get bored easily. They realize that something is missing, and their unconscious or attempted solution is, well, if I do something different, if I go somewhere else, if I get a different job, a different spouse, then things will be okay. Other people are more of a settler. They stick around a little bit more. They don't really try to change themselves, but they try to change everyone else. They're always working on a problem. They're always trying to change someone or something. There's always something that needs to be fixed in order for them to feel better. Other people are more of a warrior type. You see, there's always an enemy to be defeated. And the idea is that this sense of emptiness that we feel has to do with this enemy that is just making my life impossible. If I can just defeat the enemy, if I can just overcome this problem that I have with this person, this institution, the police, the government, the matrix, or even God, if I can solve that problem, if I can defeat that enemy, everything will be okay. Can you relate to any of this? So we experience this mysterious sense of void and emptiness within, and we develop this strategy to fix that problem, to heal that sensation of pain by changing the world outside of us in various ways. It never quite works, and it is exhausting. As a result, the more we try to change the world outside of us, the more rest, relaxation, and entertainment we need. Now, rest, relaxation, and entertainment sometimes can take the form of various addictions, which numb the mind and create massive distractions from our sense of purpose. My life's work has been to help people overcome this mysterious sense of void and emptiness, perhaps because I felt the very same way most of my life, but I don't want you to suffer any longer, particularly because the solution to the problem is quite simple once you see it. In fact, I'm eager to share with you how to solve this nagging pain and live a life that is joyous, a life that you love to live. Click on the link below this video and I'll show you how to live this life that you've been craving, this life that you've been dreaming about. I'm excited to meet you and seeing this sparkle in your eyes again. Click on the link below this video and let's meet on the inside.